Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have Miss Kaya as my helper. She wanted to hang out with me and help today, yeah? Alright, so today, guess what? It's a new and exciting day because we have a new box to our channel.
Can I open it?
Not yet, hold on. I gotta explain what this box is. A seasonal box, and this is the spring box, hence spring is here.
Spring is here?
When I made this first, I forgot the N and I put it up and it said sprig is here.
Spring is here?
Sprig. Sprig is here. No, I'm just kidding. So anyways, it is I think it's $49 a month. Or no, I'm sorry, a season. You get it 4 times a year. It's a big box though. And it's pretty inside. It's got such nice packaging.
Wrapper.
Whoa, a wrapper. Hold on. Right on top here we have 13 meals. 13 free meals from HelloFresh. Wait, you're taking all the stuff out.
Ooh, stickers.
Woohoo, stickers. I have 5 free boxes for all you friends out there. So the first 5 people that comment on this video are going to get a link, and all you have to do is like pay $5 and you get it's like a starter box. It's free. You just, if you like it, then you can sign up if you want to, or you don't have to, and you only have to pay for the shipping. It's not sponsored. It's just they gave it to me when I signed up because I got a year subscription. So my box came with stickers. That makes me happy. And this really pretty magazine, yeah, book. But I think this gives away what's in the box, so I'm not going to open it yet. So the first thing in here is from Bloomingvale. What are these?
I'll hold this.
It's a set of 4 coasters. You know you're old when you get excited for coasters.
Ooh.
Hey Kaya, can you find me some scissors? You looking through the magazine?
Yeah.
Oh wait, I don't need scissors. Oh, that looks pretty.
Ooh, look at this.
Ooh, oh, you found the page. Shh, I don't want to look at that.
Why?
Because, oh my gosh, I got it.
Ooh,
So
look at
this is what
one.
the coasters look like. Oh, that's so cute. Can I open them?
You look at the page.
Oh, so they all look a little bit different. These are adorable. I love these.
Can I hold one?
You can. They're coasters. You can put your cup on them. The
Can
next
I use
thing
them upstairs?
we can use them upstairs. The next thing in the box is from Human and Kind. Skincare with a conscience. Moisturizing hand scrub.
More?
2 in 1.
Mama, look it.
Hold on, please. Can you do one thing at a time with me? This is a moisturizing hand rub. You want to try this on, Kaya? It says,
Yeah.
apply liberally
That's
to
a
wet
bra.
or dry hands. Scrub your hands and then rinse afterwards. So if you put this on, you gotta go put your hands in the water after and rinse it off. Okay?
I don't want to put my hand in water again.
You don't want to go upstairs and wash your hands?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, smell it though.
Can
It's like,
you open this?
oh. It's like a polish. It's like a skin polish. You want to open that box? It says Our Place on it. Yeah, you can open that box. I'm going to open this one. This is from Sadie. And it's... This is a set of 3 makeup scrubbies, I think. Like, yeah. Like those, like this. I bought this the other day at Walmart. It's like the same thing. So I got a set of 3 of those. Oh, I've had these masks before. The Suns Out Pouts Out Gold Foil Lip Mask. This is a set, I think, of 4. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna keep 1, and I'm gonna put 3 of them in the giveaway.
I want one.
You want one?
I can see part of the thing.
Okay, I'm gonna keep 2, and I'm going to put 2 in the giveaway.
Ooh, I'm starting to see it.
Oh my goodness, you're finding she's like tearing in this box. This is adorable little beach bag. That's really cute. I mean, I don't think I would really use this anywhere other than the beach, but this is really cute for the beach. Hang that right there. And then we have a papaya enzyme peel, advanced skincare cream exfoliator. Directions: apply for 10 minutes, rinse off with lukewarm water. I wonder if you could use this on your feet. That's exciting though. Peels are always fun. And then the last thing in this box, other than what Kaya is opening right now, is this ginormous packing cube. It is a set of 3 packing cubes. That's cool. I don't go anywhere, but it's cool. What is that, Kaya?
It's a box.
It's a box. It was a box inside of a box from our place.
What the?
What the? Oh, that's adorable. Thank you.
I opened up a good box.
You did. So this looks like, maybe it goes the other way. I wish I knew how we put them in here.
I think I know how to put them in.
No, wait, leave it.
There we go. There we go. That's the wrong.
No, no, no. Leave it. There. No, it's good. It's good. Okay, so can I see the cover?
Yes.
Does it go like this?
It went on something like
Okay,
that, and then we use this to stretch at the bottom, and then it hooks on.
My goodness, you learned a lot. Okay, so this is adorable. This is a cute little lunchbox, and it unhooks by stretching. I wonder if you could, no. Okay, and then it's like at a suction here. And on top, you have matching silverware and chopsticks, which makes me unbelievably happy.
Chopsticks?
Yeah, they're little chopsticks there. And then you pull this part off too? Or is this a suction? I don't know. Hold on.
Coming. Okay, my name is Dick.
Oh, crap.
Can I throw this away?
Yep, that's the silica packet. You can throw that away in the box.
Ooh, so we can put food in.
And so now there's 2 more compartments in there.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you show them? Can you show our nice friends? So yeah, can you open it like you just showed me how it opened? Yep. Woo! So there's your 2 compartments. I wish this was in blue, honestly, because I don't go to work, so I don't really use a lunchbox, but my husband does, and I pack his lunch every day. And I feel like he would really get use out of something like this. Maybe he'll still use it. I don't think he'd really care about the color, but
Do you like it?
I think it's pretty neato.
Can I put on this?
Sure.
I
I want to see if you can put it on a different way. No, you can't. Okay, go ahead.
Oh, I'll do it with that.
Okay. You put that on, and I'm gonna open these packing cubes. So this is the first packing cube. And then, so I'm guessing this is the large one. And then there's a mediums. And then there's the small. Yeah, again, I don't really know if I'm gonna keep these. These might end up in the giveaway also, to be honest with you. I don't go anywhere. We don't travel.
No, we can save these for the beach.
We don't need these for the beach. We have this awesome beach bag that we got for the beach. And they are my least favorite color, which would be yellow. So I hate the color yellow. I think it's disgusting and I despise it. I know most people think it's the color of beautiful sunshine. But for me, I equate it to coming home from school and finding every single cabinet from wall to wall in your apartment being painted this color.
Mama.
It's mind-blowingly obnoxious. So I hate the color yellow because it scarred me for life.
Mama, I want to keep this one. Why?
Why? Because it's orange. Your favorite color is orange.
I want to keep it.
No.
Why?
Because we don't have any need for it, and if we keep that, it would just be to take up more space. So I'm on the fence. I'm going to talk to Dad what we're going to do with it. I'm not sure. Might go to the giveaway. We might keep it. I have no idea. But that's all I got in my FabFitFun. Let's see how much this stuff was. Let me look it up. Does it tell us in here? 5B, close, is the Camp Collection Dye Dip Market Tote. And this was for $25. Oh, this is for groceries. That's actually really cool. That's for groceries. Okay.
So can we keep
Hold on.
this for the beach?
Maybe, we'll see. Then this 4F, which is the papaya peel, was, thank you for your cases, $45.
Can I show Kennedy and go and dye this? Can I?
Yes, you can. Go ahead. Was the lunchbox, and it was $35. The bags, the like cubie bag things that I have here, were $40. The first thing that we pulled out, the coaster set, was $35. Who would pay $35 for 4 coasters? That's my question. Okay. We'll see FabFitFun. Then the last thing that we got in the box, oh wait, no, second to last thing that we got in the box was this, and it was $15, the hand scrub. And then that was it. No, that was it. This is it. The masks, the set of 4 masks are $16. So there's all the values. There's the total grand of the box. I will put it here on the screen for you. Yeah. But yeah, that wasn't a bad deal for you know, a $49 box. I feel like there's a lot of really useful things in here. A lot of not so useful things for me and my family, just because I don't think that we would get any use out of these. I much rather preferred the other option that was in here. Like the duffel bag I would have liked, or the umbrella, or even, ooh, this. I would have loved this. This basil thing. It's like a grower. It's adorable. I want one. I hope we can buy that later. I wonder if we're going to be able to add that on later, like as an add-on later in the seasons. Because I want one. Okay, well that was my first impression of the FabFitFun box. It was super cool. I liked it. I especially loved this bag here. And this lunchbox here.
It's not lunchbox. It's actually a gizmo box.
It's not a gizmo box. It's actually a lunchbox.
No, Dad told me it's a gizmo box.
No, this is a lunchbox.
Mama, can I keep it?
No, my lunchbox.